So today I'm gonna be showing you how to pass your prop firm account. Yeah, those kind of funded accounts that you don't have to use your own money for trading. They will give you a certain type of account which the company will invest or deposit their own money into it just for you to use and then trade. And if you pass successfully, you'll be given a percentage of the profit that you made. So if you are type that always blow your funded account or prop firm account, then this is a good opportunity for you. If your prop firm or funded account allows you to trade the pairs of gold or SAU USD, this is a golden opportunity for you to grab onto and then use to pass your prop firm or funded account, or you can even start your own forex trading with your own money and then make some profit into your own pocket. So I'll be dropping the link to the to this channel in the video description for you guys to use. In case if you don't have WhatsApp, I'll be leaving the link to the Telegram one. If you have access to Telegram, you can join that one too, and if you don't have Telegram, you can join the WhatsApp one. So if you join this group, I'll be posting 2 to 3 signals in the free group, in the free channel each and every single day, except for Saturdays, Sundays, which the market is usually closed. And I also have a VIP channel which I post 5 to 6 signals each and every single day. And if you want to join that, it is also totally free. You have to use my partner code and then the partner registration link, which you can see over here. You have to create a new Exness account with my registration link and then the partner code. Even if you have an existing account, Exness account, you will still have to create a new Exness account with my registration link and partner code to be able to join. So once you are done with the registration, you have to DM me and then show me proof that you've actually done that. And then once I confirm it, I will give you the VIP Telegram channel, and the VIP is only on Telegram. So if you don't have Telegram, you have to make sure you try and then get a Telegram account to be able to get the VIP access for totally free for lifetime. So once I confirm everything, I'll be sending you the link to the VIP, which is shown over here. You have to join through the link I'll be sending to you, and the link is only valid for each and every single person, or 1 link per person. So that means there won't be any kind of cheating, which I know some of you guys will try to do and some will not try to do. So if you want to join, check the video description and then the pinned comment section. You will see the link to both channels over there for you to join and then start making some profit and then stop blowing your account. So that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you find it helpful, and then also like the video. If you face any kind of issues, don't forget to write it down in the comment section. I'll do my possible best to attend to each and every single one of them. And also, if you know someone or a friend or a family member that is also in need of this kind of access, share this video with them to help them out, also make some profit doing their trading. So thank you once again for watching the video. Bye.